cannot do my intro right now. How I want to do my intro. But that's sounds good. I have to do it. So, like, I'm just going to tell y'all what I'm doing. I'm just going to, like, go off in and speak. Do whatever I can. Like, this is just real today. I don't know what's going on. My mother cooked dinner tonight. It was so good. I already took, like, this dress. Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Oh. How's your food, Edward? Why is coffee like that? Nothing. Swear to God, I can't do that at you. Girl! What? Is coffee wrong here? I'm not doing nothing. You just talk over my food. You nasty person must have just a girl. You can even have this stuff. I don't even want it at this point. My bad. You nasty. My bad. Give me my food. I don't care. But see, I thought I wanted to. Don't be fucking. Oh, my baby. Okay. Bro, what's the? I ain't doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Your food was really good. Like, literally, your food was so good. So good. This is a good. Thank you. Where's your food? Thank you. No, put my chicken down. Look at your macaroni is so good. This is good. I'm fat. Otherwise, I'll be sick. I'm not doing nothing. Yo, she was like an alcohol with her food. Oh, I'm glad. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm not doing nothing right now. So you want it? No? What? It's good. I'll eat the bowl. Somebody need to go get Chick-fil-A. Oh my god. I really want one. She really got to that food down. Like, baby, y'all, she just got it. Yeah. Her didn't go well. Like, at all. Didn't go out. Bro, I don't know actually I'm talking on her food. And she not doing like I think her get up, leave or something. Something. He really wasn't giving an attitude. So, yeah, bye.